Hello friends, how are you all? You are doing fine. Today I will teach you how to change the surface properties in Civil 3D. So as you can see, I have some points of the ground levels of the stock, and I have some points of the top levels as well. So I need to make the stockpile first. Make the surface. As you can see in the home button, I have a tool space option. Click on tool space, then a dialog box will be open like this. Okay. Then the first option, go to prospector, then click on surface. I need to maximize this option. The stockpile is the name of the name of the file. Okay. As you can see, it's appear here. So here is three options available: points group, surface. I need to click in the third option, then create surface. So give a name for the surface. Suppose I give the name of this one is surface 1. Then click on OK. Then I have to maximize this also. The surface scheme the surface 1 which I given in the name of the surface. Then maximize this one also, then go to define option, then maximize this one, and then go to drawing objects, then right click, then click on add. So object type I have to select points, lines, or extra etc. I will select points as I have points. Then in description I put surface points. Okay, then click on OK. So as you can see, it's asking for select object. I will select the whole. Then right click or press enter. So as you can see, the surface has been created, but I couldn't see the contours of the surface. So I need to manage this. I need to edit also from here. So click on the surface. So as you can see, the surface name is already shown in surface 1. So I have to right click here, or another option is here. I have to choose the surface. Then as you can see, option is appearing thin surface. Okay, then go to edit surface or surface properties. Go to surface properties or edit style. I have to choose. So then a dialog box will be open like this. So this dialog box, in the dialog box, I will choose the display option. So as you can see, there is so many options are available here. If I need to check or visible the points, triangles, borders, major contours, minor contours, graded, directions, elevations, slope errors, water sets. So in this time, I will only choose triangles. Okay, and major and minor contours. Click on apply. Click on OK. So as you can see, the major contours. As you can see, the contours lines has been visible, and the triangulation of the surface to make the surface is also visible. So now I have to uncheck this all again. Click the click on the surface, then go to the surface properties again. If I uncheck this time or freeze this one, suppose triangle I have freeze now. Okay, see what happened. So as you can see, the contours has been visible only. So otherwise, I don't need the contours. I need only the triangulation. Go to display then and of or freeze the major and minor contour only triangles I need. So click on OK. So as you can see, the triangles only have shown here. Okay. Same way here I can see this extra area also. So if I don't want this extra area, then I have to always open only the triangles. Okay. Then only I can edit this surface style or cut this portion. So again go to the edit surface. If I want to cut this portion as it is an extra area. So go to edit surface, delete lines, press enter. So as you can see, the lines has been deleted in the triangulation format. Okay, if I don't on the triangle from the display option, go again. Let's see. Go to the display of the triangle option now. I only on the major and minor contours and the borders. Click on apply, click on OK. If this time I am going to delete these lines, it will not happen. So see, go to delete line. Okay. So it asks me you must have triangle displayed for this operation. Okay. That means only in the triangulation display it will cut the extra area. So again go to the triangulation format. In the display option I just off others. I click on triangles visible, apply and OK. So this time as you can see the triangles are appearing. So I can edit or delete this line this in this situation. If I don't open the triangles, I can't do this. So click on enter after choosing the triangles which I don't want. So as you can see, the surface has been cut from an extra area which was an extra bound for the surface calculation. It will cut the extra portion. Okay, so as you can see, now I can see in the edit viewer. So this is a perfectly shaped area or surface as I trim this portion and this portion of that extra one from the final one. Okay, this is my final one. As you can see, the extra area has been cutted or been trimmed or been deleted. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you understand how to make the surface edit, trim or delete, and make the triangulation, make the surface properties else from the surface menu bar. Okay, so again, there is some extra tricks also. I don't need this time triangulation. I need the slopes. Okay, click on apply, click on OK. So as you can see, a solid form is showing the slopes. This extra red area is showing the slopes from the upper side of the stockpile. Click on object viewer. So this slopes has is displayed like deep color in a deep red color. Okay. So again go to the surface. I can change it either. This time I don't want any kind of slopes or another things. I only need to show the water set. Apply. Okay. So as you can see, the water set has disappeared here, has been appearing here. Okay. So It's graphically showing the color also and the define the waterside areas respectively. Okay, I hope you understand how to edit the surface properties from the to, from the surface menu bar to show the surface in various shapes or colors or in various forms. If you like my videos, then please subscribe and share it, as it's basically a useful video also to all the engineers who want to know Civil 3D. And don't forget to comment. If you have any doubt, just comment in the section below in the comment section. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.